Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a little tip for cooking when you don't have no electricity. You got charcoal. You don't want to waste a whole bag to cook like one or two hamburgers, right? Or one or two whatever. Take a large, like a number 10 size tin can. Open the top. Ventilate it near the bottom. Small amount of charcoal in there. And you can cook one piece of meat on there with a small amount of charcoal. It's like the hibachi idea, but made out of a tin can. There's a couple of JPEGs on after this showing you how I'm doing it, because PG has already called and said, "We're going to turn off your electricity." I hope their homes burn down in the fire. Serve them right.